everyone, Amanda here. Just a quick share and a bit of a kind of catch up, explanation of what I'm up to. So first of all, I've just got some goodies that I've received from the lovely Eileen over in America. Now, I don't always share my Happy Mail every single time. And there is a reason for that, and that is because I've had some kind of negative comments in the past, and it makes me feel a bit guilty, you know, as if I'm like bragging or showing off, and it's not the case at all. I just need to show my gratitude. So with Eileen especially, she's a more mature lady, shall we say, and she's just lovely, and it's cost her a lot of money to send this from America, so I just feel like I need to share it and show my gratitude. I am grateful to everybody that sends me everything, and I do get quite a few parcels sent, and so you know, when people are a bit funny, it can make you feel guilty and like you shouldn't be sharing, but stuff it, I am doing. Right, so anyway, first thing she sent me is these lovely Prima Flowers. Absolutely beautiful. Not easy to get in the UK, isn't Prima? I mean, you can, but it's not like commonplace. Our craft shops are a bit pants. And then she sent me, the other day, she sent me a letter with these in, which are some lovely napkins for my napkin journal, and I did get some sent by the lovely Mandy Chivers the other day as well to try and help me with my napkin journaling. I've kind of lost my mojo with my napkin journal at the moment. That's why I haven't done a video I didn't do one last week, I don't think. Did I do one the week before? I can't remember, but I lost my mojo, and I was sat there and I was like, I don't know what direction to go. So hopefully I can get my mojo back, we'll see. Then I've opened this. She's sent me this little book, and in here are some little pages with butterflies on. So these are cute, aren't they? You've got like light beige, and then some are white, and then some are darker. So they're cute for like layers and collage and things like that. Cute. I've just started a little collage journal for myself, so I may well use those in that. Might save them. I might get myself a little box together of stuff just for that. And then these are, I have had a little peek at these. They're like little circle stickers, like floral and foliage. So they're awesomely cute. Okay. I've got a bit of a cough this morning. I don't know. I think I'm just ready for a glue factory. Excuse me, I am sorry. Terribly rude of me. Then she sent me these little sales books. These are great. So I'm going to sit today and I'm going to separate these. So these are the slightly thinner ones with the carbon paper. So I'm going to dismantle these and separate them and make them into little individual notebooks to slip into journal pockets and stuff. So that's what I'm going to do with those. And then she sent me these. Woohoo! Oh, absolutely thrilled. Now these are the beautiful, well-desired, thick guest checks. So the ones that I've sourced for myself, and I put them in my journal filler kits, etc. In fact, I need to put some more kits together because I've got some more stuff. But they are only thin. And you get the carbon underneath, which I don't know if that's any use really. I don't know, but I suppose you can still write on it. We just don't really use these in our restaurants in the UK. They do everything on those like electronic tablets. So the only place where I could find them, you know, for the public without going to maybe a wholesaler was on Amazon. And you've got to buy them in a pack of about 10 billion. So I've got enough of these to last me till the next millennium. But they're only thin. So my point being, these ones that Eileen sent me, I think she's got them in Walmart in America, and they are thick. They're super thick. They're probably 160 GSM or something. There's no carbon underneath, and on the back it says thank you, and then there's lines for writing. Now I've done a digital guest checks, and one lady in one group said, oh, it would have been nice to have put something on the back. And so when I went and looked at my guest checks, I was like, well, they're in out on back of them. I don't know what she means, but obviously these ones in America have got that on the back. So that's what she meant anyway. But yeah, so these ones, if you can't get a hold of these, or you can't, you know, when you're buying these ones in the UK and Amazon, you've got to buy them in bundles of about 1 million. And nobody needs 1 million, do they? So if you just want the odd one or two, I do have them on my Ko-fi site. Links below, and it's free. Okay, and so yeah, you're welcome to go and download it. But yeah, so these are nice and thick, so I won't have to layer these up. These will be alright as they are. So I might try and tea dye some, but if I do, it'll be with a spray bottle. I won't dunk them because I don't want that ink to run. And I'll probably share some of these with my crafty friends who I'm going to, hopefully, fingers crossed, all being well, going to see at the end of the month. I'll take them some of these because I'm not going to use all them, am I? So I will share. Then she sent me, have I shown you these? Yeah, I've shown you them. Then she sent me these lovely little paper bags which are fun. Really, really bright and cute and fun. So these are lovely. You can make like little albums out of paper bags. You know, you can make mini ones even. Or you can make I've made little cards out of them. You know, you can have a tuck spot there and a tuck spot there and put paper in the middle, and they're cute. In fact, I might make some of them up, but yeah, those are lovely. So they'll get hoarded for a while. So yeah, so that's it. So I might be a little bit quieter on the tutorial front for probably about a week. That doesn't mean I won't upload anything. I just might be a bit quieter. I'm in the middle of constructing this 3-inch monster, and this is I'm using in here, it's a beautifully illustrated book, Snow White, and I got it from a charity shop, and I've deconstructed it and I'm using it to make a large interactive journal. I've just got to add my cover on there and start and decorate. And then I've also got these. In fact, this is my job today, is to get these bound. There's 3 independent signatures here for like TN, and they need cutting down. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving one away on my YouTube, and then these 2 will be going for sale on my Ko-fi. So they're all done using the same kit, which is Nature's Remedy by Artie Mays and Tracy Fox, but they're going to be different. As you can even see, I'm using completely different pages, and the ephemeral, but it'll be different because I can't make 2 things exactly the same. It bores me. So although they're the same kit, they're going to be different. So 1 to give away and 2 will be to sell. And then I've got another journal in my head as well, which fingers on lips, I'm not sharing that one yet, because it's going to be, I'm hoping it's going to be like really, really, really lovely, and it's something that I've been trying to make and get the things together for quite a while. So yeah, so we will see. But yeah, so I might be, I'm not saying I won't upload, but I might be a little bit quiet. But you know, when I'm not on YouTube, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook. You've got my Ko-fi site, I've got my Facebook group. I'm in there every day. It's getting really, really busy in there. It's nice. Everybody's lovely. Some lovely sharing going on. We do as challenges, and everybody's just genuinely. I've not had to tell anybody off. I've not really had to do anything. It's just run really nicely. So when I'm not on here, I'm there. So you're more than welcome to come and join. And yeah, when I'm sharing any free digitals, they go on my Ko-fi, and I share them in my group, and I share that information in my group first. They get to know everything first. So yeah, so there you go. Thank you so much for joining me and listening to me waffle on. Take care, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye for now.